Was recently dropped by the law firm that was representing him, and then a report came out that it was because Lady Gaga is also represented by the law firm and she pressured them to drop him.
Producer said to me, "Take your clothes off." And I said no.
Lady Gaga is now stepping into a serious legal battle against Diddy, where she is set to expose some of the darkest secrets from her time with the hip-hop mogul. According to insiders, the pop icon is ready to reveal shocking details of control and manipulation that few are aware of. But how did it all come to this? Gaga's journey to stardom was far from glamorous, marked by trauma and pain. In a revealing interview with Oprah Winfrey, she opened up about her struggles with mental health and a horrifying experience at 19 that left deep emotional scars she still carries today.
I was raped repeatedly when I was 19 years old. And I also developed PTSD, and as a result of being, and also not processing that trauma. I did not have anyone help me. I did not have a therapist. I did not have a psychiatrist. I did not have a doctor help me through it. I just all of a sudden became a star and was traveling the world, going from hotel room to garage to limo to stage. And I never dealt with.
Lady Gaga's rise to global superstardom came at a great personal cost, as she struggled with the trauma of her past while enduring a toxic and manipulative relationship with Diddy, which had long remained hidden from the public. Sources close to the situation reveal that Diddy exerted immense control over Gaga during the early years of her career, dictating her image, decisions, and even aspects of her personal life. This suffocating influence, coupled with Gaga's existing emotional scars, led to a downward spiral in her mental health, culminating in a terrifying incident where Diddy allegedly fired shots inside a club during a heated argument. Shaken and trapped in Diddy's car for 15 hours, Gaga experienced a breaking point, realizing that she needed to escape before it was too late. While she physically distanced herself from him, the emotional scars lingered, echoing the control and fear she had endured. Diddy's pattern of manipulation didn't end with Gaga, as sources suggest he shifted his focus to Cassie, exerting the same dominance over her for over a decade. This dark legacy of control has haunted both women, showing the chilling depths of Diddy's obsession with power and manipulation.
Confided in me about this incident when I was working with her around this time, around 2016. We were working on her sophomore album, and she told me about this situation. Their relationship was volatile for sure. And you could tell that she was afraid of him, and that there was a lot of control.
Diddy's alleged behavior towards Cassie reveals a man desperate to reclaim the control he lost with Lady Gaga, using his power and influence to keep her under his thumb. His former bodyguard, Jen Deal, has shared disturbing stories about Diddy's long-standing pattern of control and manipulation in his relationships, suggesting that his toxic behavior was not an isolated incident but a consistent trait throughout his life. Now, all eyes are on the courtroom, where Lady Gaga may testify against Diddy, potentially exposing the truth about their tumultuous relationship and his manipulation of other women like Cassie. Fans and supporters are urging Gaga to use her platform to speak out, especially as more survivors come forward following Diddy's recent arrest. With the possibility of explosive revelations that could not only damage Diddy's career, but also shed light on his history of abuse, many believe this could be the moment Gaga helps bring down his abusive empire for good. The question remains, will she reveal the bombshells that could finally hold Diddy accountable?
Gave Grubman Shire an ultimatum. Drop Diddy or I'm leaving.
Social media has been buzzing with posts urging Lady Gaga to stand in solidarity with women who have suffered under Diddy's control, especially Cassie. Supporters are calling for Gaga to testify, believing her voice could help dismantle the toxic power structures Diddy has maintained for years. One commenter wrote, "Stand your ground, Lady Gaga. Truth and justice are coming for the puppet masters at the top," while others praised her for her past work helping victims. However, not everyone agrees. Some feel Gaga should remain silent, arguing she's already shared so much of her trauma and doesn't owe anyone more of her personal pain. They worry that reliving such dark experiences might harm her fragile mental health, emphasizing that the decision should be hers alone. Regardless of what Gaga chooses, many believe the truth will come out eventually. What do you think? Will Lady Gaga expose Diddy's dark secrets in court? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates. For even more explosive details, check out our next video. There's plenty more to uncover.